Whole grains have become a significant staple in modern diets, known for their rich nutritional content, including essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers. For people seeking to improve their health, incorporating whole grains into their daily meals is often recommended. However, when it comes to diabetes management, the story is not so simple. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. So, let's delve into the top 5 whole grains that you might want to avoid or limit if you're managing diabetes, saving the worst offender for last. Known for its quick cooking time, bulgur wheat is a staple in many Middle Eastern dishes. Rich in dietary fiber and protein, bulgur might seem like an excellent choice for many. However, for those with diabetes, bulgur's relatively high glycemic index can cause a sharp spike in blood sugar levels. This is mainly due to its processing, which partially cooks the grains, making the carbohydrates more accessible and quickly absorbed by the body. While it's not entirely off the table for those with diabetes, it's best to consume it in moderation, and preferably in combination with other low glycemic foods. Barley is another grain that has found its place in various cuisines, from soups and stews to salads. While barley contains essential nutrients, its impact on blood sugar levels can be concerning for individuals with diabetes. The issue here lies in the type of barley consumed. Pearled barley, the most commonly found form, has been stripped of its outer bran layer, thus losing a significant portion of its fiber. This lack of fiber causes carbohydrates to be absorbed more quickly into the bloodstream, leading to potential blood sugar spikes. Whole barley, with the bran intact, might be a better choice, but even then, monitoring your response to this grain is crucial. White rice is an absolute staple in many world cuisines, and its mild flavor and soft texture make it a favorite among many. But when it comes to diabetes, white rice can be a challenging item to incorporate into a balanced diet. Unlike brown rice, white rice is a refined grain, with the nutritious bran and germ removed, leaving only the starchy endosperm. This processing not only reduces its nutritional content, but also gives it a high glycemic index. Regular consumption of white rice can lead to rapid fluctuations in blood sugar levels, making it a less than ideal option for those with diabetes. Opting for brown rice or wild rice, both of which have more fiber and nutrients, might be a wiser choice. Cornmeal is a versatile grain used in a variety of dishes like cornbread, polenta, and tortillas. While it's packed with nutrients like vitamin B and iron, cornmeal has a high glycemic index, making it potentially problematic for diabetes management. The problem comes from the kind of corn used and the processing methods. Finely ground cornmeal is digested more quickly than coarsely ground versions, leading to faster blood sugar spikes. If you're looking to enjoy corn-based dishes, it might be worth seeking whole kernel or stone ground varieties, which retain more of their fiber and tend to have a slower impact on blood sugar. Now, we've arrived at the number 1 whole grain that might be considered the worst for those with diabetes: instant oats. Oats are often praised for their health benefits, offering a fantastic source of fiber, especially beta-glucans, known for their cholesterol-lowering effects. But not all oats are the same. Instant oats are processed to cook more quickly, and this processing breaks down the starches, increases the glycemic index, and allows for rapid absorption into the bloodstream. This can lead to sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, making instant oats a challenging choice for those managing diabetes. Instead, opting for steel-cut or old-fashioned rolled oats, which undergo less processing, can provide the nutritious benefits of oats without the problematic blood sugar impact. When looking for healthy alternatives to whole grains that might not be the best choice for diabetics, it's important to focus on options that have a lower glycemic index and provide a slower, more controlled release of glucose into the bloodstream. Here are some healthier alternatives to consider. Quinoa is an ancient grain that stands out for being a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Its glycemic index is lower compared to some other grains, which means it has a slower impact on blood sugar levels. Additionally, quinoa is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals like magnesium and iron. Millet is a gluten-free whole grain with a lower glycemic index than many traditional grains. It's a good source of fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and support digestive health. Millet's mild flavor and light, fluffy texture make it suitable for side dishes, breakfast porridges, and baked goods. Whole wheat pasta is a healthier alternative to refined pasta because it retains the bran and germ, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The fiber content slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to a gentler rise in blood sugar levels. It's a great way to enjoy pasta dishes while keeping blood sugar in check. Sprouted grain bread is made from grains that have been allowed to sprout, which can increase the availability of nutrients and potentially reduce the glycemic index. It often contains a variety of sprouted grains and legumes, offering a blend of flavors and textures. Cauliflower rice is a popular low-carbohydrate alternative to traditional rice. It's made by finely chopping or processing cauliflower florets into rice-sized pieces. With minimal impact on blood sugar levels, cauliflower rice is an excellent choice for those aiming to reduce carbohydrate intake and increase vegetable consumption. Although not a grain, lentils are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, which contribute to stable blood sugar levels. The fiber content slows digestion, promoting fullness and preventing rapid glucose spikes. Chia seeds are small seeds packed with fiber, healthy fats, and protein. When mixed with liquid, they form a gel-like substance that slows down digestion and the release of glucose into the bloodstream. Chia seeds are commonly used to make chia pudding, added to smoothies, or used as an egg substitute in recipes. Coconut flour is a gluten-free flour alternative that's lower in carbohydrates compared to traditional flour. It's made from dried coconut meat and is high in fiber and healthy fats. Due to its unique properties, coconut flour is often used in baking and can help create recipes with a lower glycemic impact. Ezekiel bread is made from sprouted grains and legumes, which can potentially lower the glycemic index and enhance nutrient availability. This bread option provides a balance of protein, fiber, and carbohydrates, making it a better choice for blood sugar management compared to some conventional breads. In conclusion, whole grains are indeed packed with nutrients, and many types can be part of a balanced diet for those with diabetes. But as we've explored, certain whole grains can be more harmful than helpful in managing this complex condition. Understanding the nuances of different whole grains, their processing, and how they affect blood sugar levels can lead to better food choices and overall health. If you have diabetes, remember to consult with a healthcare provider or a nutritionist who can offer personalized advice based on your individual needs and preferences. By working together, you can find the whole grains and other foods that fit best within your healthy eating plan, supporting not just your taste buds, but your well-being too.